Okay, this is for my buds out there who want to do some cool stuff with their drive on their online communities. Let me show you how to set that up. So let's say you have a online community such as this one. Duck around that one. So I'm selecting my group. There it is. Cool. So this welcome page is a good place to embed a link in there. Of course, you could send it to your compatriots over email as well. So now, how to set up a Google Drive. How to use Google Drive. This assumes you're logged into your account over here. If you're not, go log in your Google account. You can do that by going google.com and scroll over here and I'll log out. Let me get this to fit. No. Okay. So I could sign out over there on Google by clicking that icon, or I can sign in. And there I am. If you have multiple accounts, you'll have to choose one. So there we are. We're in our We're in our Google account. I see my little logo over there. And now let's go to Drive. So if you type in Drive, this will take you to your your personal Google Drive. And if you want to make a folder so other people can collaborate with you via a Google Groups, which is what this is over here, you can scroll through your drive and you could pick a folder, make a folder space. Just hit, what I would do is just hit new. I'm going to keep it simple here. Hit new, folder, boom. And my collaboration folder. Hit create. There it is. It's showing in this list of folders. I've got a lot of stuff in my drive. You have 15 gigabytes. No. You have an amount that's free. I've forgotten how much the amount is, and it must have changed too. Anyways, here's my folder. So I go into the folder, boom. Okay. Now I have a collaboration folder with nothing in it. So now what do? If I want to work with other people, I need to share this. So click this little thing up here. See this thing that says get shareable link. Now I have a couple options. You can share to a person or multiple people, but that's actually kind of a pain because you have to keep maintaining two lists. So if your group is already deciding or judging who's in and out, just stick with that system and get a shareable link. If you want to go down the route of maintaining lists of people, go for it. Get shareable link. So right now it says link sharing is off. So I want to turn it on. By the way, it says private, not shared, because link sharing is turned off. So I'm going to turn it on. Boom. And now look at this. Anyone can view a link. So this is important. You have to ask yourself, do I want people to contribute by adding things or only looking at things? In the case for my friends at Seattle Writers Cramps, it's to not just view, it's to do other things. So I got to go down to share settings. Okay, anyone with a link can view. Well, we want that to be anyone with a link can edit. Ooh, what's more? Let me take a peek here. Anyone on the internet can find access. No sign in. Anyone with a link. So we want anyone with a link can get in there. I didn't know about that. You can make it completely public. That's an interesting choice. I've never used it. Okay, anyone, no signing required, can view only. This is what I want to change. Okay, so can organize, add, and edit. So I was a little nervous there because I kept seeing edit, but I want them to add too. So I'm thankful that they have that very clear there. Hit save. Make this little banner go away. All right, so now it says back at this Get Shareable link screen, anyone with link can edit, which also means add. And if you wanted to still add people in, you could do that. But let's not do that because why make life hard for ourselves? Let's keep it easy. Okay, so Get Shareable link. So I'm going to copy this link. Or I could copy it here. It doesn't matter. In fact, I'll copy it there too, just because it probably needs to be copied into my buffer, into my copy paste buffer. Done. Now, I've got a link. So my suggestion here is for one of my friends out there who I'm doing this video for, is to edit this and stick somewhere in this text the link that's in my copy paste buffer and say the words like, here's our sharing folder, blah, 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 fill in interesting information. And my friend knows how to do this. Now to prove that this folder thing works, let me open up a whole different browser. Because remember, it's in my copy paste buffer. I'll open up a whole different browser. We're opening up the Chrome. Paste it in here. Okay, that's the sharing link. If I hit enter, what am I going to see? Booyah! My control collaboration folder. So this particular window isn't logged into any of my accounts. Here, let me slide it over a little bit more. Okay. And so, hey, we can start get going. Ooh, look at this. Sign in to add files to this folder. Okay. So that probably means I have to sign into Google, but I don't have to be anyone specific. So let me go ahead and sign in. Tap, tap, tap. Well, maybe I need to go do it the old-fashioned way by clicking on, small window. There's a sign in over here. Note to self, make window bigger. Okay, sign in. So I have to re-authenticate in here again. So let me, for fun, sign in as a different person. Instead of my Gmail account, it's my Yahoo account. Password. Well, we got to go to our super spiffy password, strong password management system called Keychain on the Mac OS. And let's see, I'm going to get my Google account for Yahoo, and I'm going to copy that to my clipboard, and I'm going to type in something super secret, and it's now in my clipboard. Pretty cool, huh? I didn't ever have to show you my password. Now I paste it in here. So now I'm signing as from Lancer Kind at Yahoo, or the other one is Lancer Kind at Gmail. We can save it. Sure. No. Okay, so I'm there. Now look, drop files here. Whoops. Let me size up my screens. Come here, you. Get in here. Oh boy, I did not want that to happen. Yes. My excitable friend of Windows 10 that likes to size my windows, which is useful sometimes, but not all the time. Oh my God, how do I grab that window? It could be easier. All right, sorry folks on the video. I'm trying to get things tidied up here so you can see it. Okay, so see this? Drop files here. So now you could drop files here if you're running in a Chrome browser, or you could upload it, whatever. A bunch of details there. So if you want to upload a file, go to the plus button here. You could upload files right there. Boom. So you could drop them here if you're in Chrome. Fancy Google Chrome lets you do that. Other browsers, maybe not. But anyways, this flow always works. File upload, boom, and we're all used to that. And then you dig around in your hierarchy to go upload something. And I will upload something just for fun. What is not too giant? Oh, how about we could upload this thing or this? Bloody. Of course, I don't have anything tidy. How about some notes? Uploading. Yeah, there they are. Notes. Okay. To read notes. All right. So I can read that within the drive. There's a lot of fun things you can do with Google Drive. But let's just keep it simple. This is how you upload files. You can edit files. And guess what? I did a right click there or a context click. And there is a way to delete files. Am I lying to you folks? Well, let's see. We can copy them. We could add it to your personal other drive. And what do we have? Oh, there was a garbage can. Ah, look at that, a garbage can. So, friends of the group here, if you upload things to share and later something happens and you want to make it go away, you can make it go away. You can add more folders, like, oh, we're going to do a meeting on, what's the date? Oh, well, let me make up a date. July 3rd. No, bad, not auspicious day. 13th, very auspicious. Let's do that. July 13th is our meeting, and we're going to work on our artifacts. It's, by the way, I dragged, so I have this folder. If you drag folders into, if I drag my file into this folder, there is some possibility that if you were like trying to like say, oh, for this folder, Bob has access, but not Jane. And if I drag that file into another folder, Jane could get access when I didn't expect it. So it's just telling you, look, pal, when you move folders around in your Google Drive, your permissions are going to be changed based on the folder that you drop them into. Okay, not a big deal. It's all right. It's just trying to keep you from trouble. And if you trust everyone to collaborate at this level, and you trust everyone to collaborate whatever level, and that's really nothing to worry about. Okay, so now I have different folders. I can keep adding folders, and excitement and wonder will continue. July 35, very auspicious day, by the way. Okay, so you get the idea, and they can be deleted, so you never have to worry about you filling up, though the number of gigabytes you have is quite high. So for many of my friends' purposes, this will be fine. All right, now let's say, okay, I'm done. I want to leave. All you have to do is close the bloody browser. It's in the cloud. You don't have to worry about anything. It's in the cloud. Okay. So you can just close it and boom, go on with your day. If you wanted to, you could sign out. Maybe if you're on a public computer, good idea. Or using your friend's computer, good idea. But closing it will almost the same as sign out. Not exactly, but almost. All right, that is it. So now there's a drive out there that you can share, by the way. Okay, there is another tip here. So we have a drive, right? You have this hierarchy, my shared with me, my collaboration folder. There's also these, if every time I go into a subdrive, you see it keeps growing. All right, now let's say later, friend whose name starts with S says, you know what, I need to broadcast this link again because people just aren't finding the link and I need to like hammer it into them until they get it into their favorites. Well, you want to probably retransmit the shared link, right? So let's just kind of step on that. So here I am in the folder, right? I'm in this folder, not in the subfolder, because we don't want to accidentally share a subfolder of July 13th because that's not too helpful, but we want the super collaborative folder, right? So see this button here, the little peoples? Yes, here, let me size it up there. The little peoples. Now you can go to link sharing. This happens to mention who's the owner. Tap on that. Well, it's just telling me, man, anyone with the link can edit. All right. Well, let's get a copy of the link because there's a problem here. You may not be able to copy and send this link as this out to people. I'm a little bit unclear myself on how that works. So my suggestion is, and by the way, I've made the mistake of sharing what was up here sometimes. Didn't work. So I suggest getting in the habit of going to link sharing. Where is the copy link sharing? Okay, so let me slow down here. I just did that really quick. So link sharing, hover on the people, link sharing, tapping on this, not helpful. What is this pencil? Oh, it's just, so this is just a signal that you can edit it. All right, not the most fabulous, whatever, it doesn't matter. Now I went to sharing settings, tapped on it, and now I could copy the link here. And then I could also observe that it says edit. So copy link. Now I can hit done. And now friend whose name starts with S could transmit this to everyone in the group by saying, hey, everyone in the group, here is my share to use and add to your favorites. Oh my God, please. All right. And then go down here and paste the link in here. Here is the link. Look at this link. Observe its beauty. And see, this is the this is what it looks like. Google Drive Com. Drive Google Com, blah, blah, blah. Weird string here. That's sort of the ID into the cloud. And then I'm not sure why it has that. The sharing part. All right. And if I'm clever and I look at these two strings, I'm just all right, I'm going to give you a little bit of a techno geekery thing here. Look at this. It's the same bloody bit of token. So this is a case where you could have copied that and sent it to your friends. The problem is I screw this up myself, so I'm just telling you, man, make it easy, follow the flow, and you'll stay out of trouble. Otherwise, you'll send out a link and everybody goes, hey, I can't get into the link. It didn't work, or I can't edit. So there we are. All right, end of session. Hope that helped. Have fun.